everyone, it's Jennifer, and today we're going to talk about floaters and spots that you see in your vision. It doesn't cause blindness or anything, but I thought I'd talk about it because so many people see them, so I thought I'd talk about it. So floaters or spots are small, semi-transparent or cloudy particles within the vitreous, which is the clear jelly-like fluid that fills the inside of the eye. The spots can appear as specks or various shapes and sizes. They're thread-like strands or cobwebs. These spots can appear as specks or various shapes and sizes, thread-like strands or cobwebs, I just read that, in the field of vision caused by particles floating in the fluid that fills the inside of the eye. Because they are in the eye, they move as your eyes move and seem to dart away when you try to look at them directly. The spots are often caused by small flecks of protein or other matter that becomes trapped when your eyes are formed before birth. They can also appear as the vitreous fluid deteriorates due to aging. Also, certain eye diseases or injuries can cause the appearance of the spots. Most spots are not harmful, and they rarely limit vision. However, spots can be an indication of a more serious problem. See a doctor of optometry for a comprehensive eye exam if you suddenly start seeing more spots, especially in your central vision. A doctor of optometry can determine if what you are seeing is harmless or if a symptom of a more serious problem that requires treatment. Causes and risk factors. Spots are often caused by small flecks of protein or other matter that become trapped when your eyes are formed before birth. They can also appear as vitreous fluid deteriorates due to aging, and certain eye diseases or injuries can cause the appearance of spots. Symptoms. These spots can appear as specks of various shapes and sizes, thread-like strands, or cobwebs. Because they are in your eyes, they move as your eyes move and seem to dart away when you try to look at them directly. Floaters and spots rarely affect vision. If accompanied by flashes or a sudden occurrence, this may be a more serious problem and require an immediate eye examination by a doctor of optometry. Diagnosis and treatment. A doctor of optometry can determine if what you are seeing is harmless or the symptom of a more serious problem that requires treatment. If the issue is related to a more serious problem, surgical treatment might be necessary. So, I just wanted to let you guys know about these eye floaters. Now, I do have eye floaters. They are not a problem. They've been there for years. And I try to look at them, but I can't because they move as my eye moves. The doctor says they're not serious. They're not a big deal. They're just there. So, I'm pretty sure a lot of you out there have eye floaters. Don't worry about it. You know, if they worry you, go see the eye doctor, and they'll tell you whether or not they're an issue. Now, if you wake up one day and you suddenly have 100 eye floaters out of the blue, you need to go to the eye doctor right away. That's important. That's very important. But you should go get your eyes checked. I mean, it's always important to get your eyes checked. You know, check your eyes, save your eyes. You don't want to lose your eyesight. Definitely. So, there's a little bit on eye floaters. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.